Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how Shopify stores are turning every order into a viral marketing opportunity. We're going to jump right into it. This is all about personalized packing videos, and I'm going to show you how this is a really awesome marketing opportunity. And a lot of Shopify stores want to make more sales, of course. Everyone does. Everyone wants to scale their business. And they try to do it with things like more ads, right? Maybe more budget or launching more ads, more social media posts, more emails, more products. But there's one marketing opportunity that every store already has, and it involves packaging their order. And you might have seen this before, especially with some other brands. You might have seen this on social media. It's all about personalized packing videos. And PackClip, a Shopify app, it's the perfect solution for it. It helps turn ordinary order fulfillment into a memorable customer experience with personalized packing videos. And it creates a really unique marketing opportunity. First off, you improve post-purchase experience when the customer receives this email and the video inside it. But really more than that, there's an incredible marketing opportunity. We could make more sales because when the customer shares this packing video with their friends and their followers, especially those that have similar interests, right, especially similar to your store, right, you're going to see the more sales, more clicks, more traffic, and this is all built into something you're already doing, fulfilling the product, because every video page includes the merchant's branding, it includes links back to the shop. It could be fully customized here so it becomes a selling tool. So some of those friends may actually go ahead and see the packing video and then go ahead and decide to buy the product or even share it with their friends, all because of this viral marketing opportunity. Now, there are some pain points that you might run into when you want to start implementing a strategy like this. Of course, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to have to use an app, and I'm going to show you the exact app that I use. And the app must be super easy to use and require no prior technological skills or expertise. You don't need to be any type of, coder or technical expert to be able to jump right in. And most importantly, the app should not slow down your fulfillment workflow. It's not going to, add any time here. In fact, I'm going to show you how it really only takes a few extra clicks per order to get this implemented. And if you want to do it the right way, you need to use PackClip. I highly recommend it. You see the link to PackClip directly below this video. We'll go over the shoulder now. This is PackClip, and it helps Shopify stores send personalized packing videos at scale. It's really cool. You can take a look at this video over here as just a kind of example, right? There's an email with the video of the actual packing experience, and of course the sharing buttons here to promote virality, and literally it's a video right on here, and you see the items in the order where you can click directly over here. This is a viral marketing tool that's going to help boost your sales. Really powerful, and you can customize everything. I'll show you inside of the app. It's really easy to do. It all works directly inside of Shopify, and all you need to do is install this app. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to jump right into my store, and I'm going to show you how this works. And, it really works for any type of store. It doesn't matter if you're selling, apparel or widgets or electronics or custom goods, personalized goods, whatever it is. This is going to help you not only improve the customer post-purchase experience, but make more money and make more sales by reaching new people. This is perfect for small to medium-sized Shopify stores that pack their own orders and want to improve their online image, right? This is going to be such a great goodwill tool for people to really see behind the scenes. Really powerful, and it's going to improve the post-purchase experience, like I said, but really most importantly, it's going to get more sales through customer sharing. And the cool thing here is you could even promote specific products. When you're selecting orders to pack in PackClip, you could filter down by product. So you could record packing videos only for the products that are really meaningful to you or the ones that you want to focus extra attention on. You could also add an outro, which is a great place to add, a little promotion. Maybe say 20% off, or, check out our newest launch, or thank you for shopping with us. Come back and shop again, right? These messages help, and they're placed in the outro of the video to get you even more clicks and more specific instructions to the customer so they can fulfill our goal, right? Coming back, sharing, buying more. So I have PackClip in one of my stores over here, and we're going to come right inside the app, and you have all these different options like branding, and this is going to be where we could actually set up things like our email and our headers and our social media. So we'll want to come through and set up all of the different settings, including our logo right up top here. Okay, I've got my logo and my social media in here, and you see that it automatically updates the icons depending on which social media handles you have. Make sure that we save this right over here. We've got our email design as well. Same idea here. Right now we're able to actually preview. You could do MJML code, but we also have easy edit, which is probably the easiest way to go here, especially if you want to just kind of change different text and you have the ability to change everything when it comes to the content here. And we come over here, we actually take a look at the full code. So if you want to edit raw MJML, you can do that as well. Here's kind of our preview over here. Of course, the packaging video per product will get placed right in here. Our logo and our color scheme is already implemented. Our social media icons will update as well. Really cool thing, it also talks about order placed and order packed on dates. Again, really improving the post-purchase customer experience. And as we go over into this page, right, this will be the page that we have for our video. So as we load this up, this is just our template. We'll have this ready to go. You could even use AI Assist here to make changes, but the template is pretty much good. I would keep it as is and just make sure that your kind of edits are there with your logo and your branding, and then of course the easy edit to change that text. Here is our player page, and this is so important because we want to have people come over here and of course click on these links, click on our socials, be able to share over here. You can take a look at how it looks on both vertical and horizontal layouts depending on what you want there, and really depending on the video that you produce. So we have that over here. Here's our body HTML and CSS. If you want to get really advanced, you could start to customize a lot of different things here, but for the most part, this page is ready and good to go. And our videos, of course, will be placed there. This is where people are going to be able to also share. And this is where we'll find new customers landing here, and they can click directly onto those products for us to make money. We've got our video design section over here as well, right? We can create our intro and outro right in this section. You see that there are different options here, like kind of icons, right? And you can kind of go through here, and the really cool thing about this video design is that you don't need to have any technical skill at all. It's all just set up directly in here. Even things like directionals, transparency, image types, you could use samples here as well, which makes it just really easy for you to immediately launch. We've got our area to put in our logo. We've got our ability for text. We've got audio, and this is going to be where you can start customizing the feel and the sounds, and of course all the different text here. This is in our outro, and really cool thing, of course, we want to, and there's our logo, we want to be able to add text over here, and this could be something like a call to action to share with your friends, or a call to action to check out our newest release. It's really, really cool, and gives you a ton of flexibility over here in our video design, intro, outro, depending on the sizes here. You have your share config. This is going to be another option over here just for how things get shared. You can kind of control the text in here. If you wanted to change the template, you could take a look at your history as well. But really what's going to happen mostly is right inside this, the Start Packing button. So we'll open up this. I have one order over here to show you over here that needs to be packed. We can go and you'll actually see, real quick in terms of a batch view of what products, if you want to go and pull those, so it makes it really easy for you to pull. And really all we need to do is just take a short video of us packaging up this product, and it's going to get sent right off to our customer on behalf of our store through PackClip. So I'm going to switch over into my phone and I'll show you exactly how this video looks. I'm inside of the app on my phone over here, and I'm inside of this order that I'm getting ready to pack, and it shows the image of the product title, so it makes it easy for me to go ahead and pick and pack this product. And literally you see right on the screen here the video. I've got my iPhone camera over here, and you see you could do landscape, you could do portrait. Really just depends on how you want it to look and how you want it to feel. Come back over here, and it's actually time to kind of record our video. So I'm going to record the packaging of this product, and this is going to get sent directly to the customer. Hey there, thanks so much for ordering. I just wanted to show you, we're actually packaging the order right now. You should get it ASAP. We know you're going to absolutely love it. It'd be great if you could share with your friends and kind of show it off, and you'll be getting this in the mail soon. Again, thanks so much. So just like that, we have our video. All we need to do now, we can just review it and make sure it looks good and all that great stuff. But we're going to press the Generate Video button. It's going to literally send out the video directly to the customer. We already have our email design and template set up, so literally it's just going to get sent out. And it's going to be in the process right now of being sent. We'll get our little confirmation message, and then I'm going to go over and actually show you this email because this was a test order. You see all selected orders have been processed. I'm going to jump into my email now. You're going to see exactly what the customer gets when the email goes out. Now I'm inside of my email of the customer, right? That was a sample order, and I'm the customer over here receiving that email about the order. Your order is packed and ready to go. We thought you'd love to see the care we put into packaging your product. Literally the video right here, right? And of course, also the ability to share. Let's go ahead and watch our video. We get sent over here into our branded PackClip page. We have right over here, packing video for Justin. It's the customer's name. Shows when it was packed on. Of course, we have the ability to play. We have the product as well, right? This is just so valuable, right? We go right to the product page over here. So it's incredibly powerful, and then we can just simply watch the video. We have our little vertical intro here. We have our video. Literally, I just made this on my phone a few seconds ago. Right, and instantly went from the app right off into the customer's email. I didn't need to upload it or anything like that. You literally see the entire video over here, and there you go. We got our outro as well. Enjoy the product. Come over here, click to the product. Come over here, learn more about us on social. Click directly into our social media. I mean, incredibly powerful here. All done with one app. So that was PackClip, and as you saw, incredibly easy, but also super powerful. It's highly recommended. It's one of the most unique apps that I've ever used. Highly recommended. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to drop a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. But most importantly, see the link below this video. Jump right into PackClip. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for other videos. And most importantly, I'll see ya in my next vidya.